Opportunities to improve the performance of your product can come from a variety of sources, so ensuring everyone on your team can test designs early and review the results is essential. The Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection provides these capabilities inside of Inventor and Fusion 360, alongside advanced simulation tools in Autodesk Nastran In-CAD that all work right inside the design environment. The real advantage here is the time saved not having to mess around with file translations, misaligned file or software versions. This enables your entire design team to spend more time analyzing the information presented to them so that they can make the most informed decisions that make the most sense for your business. For example, you can perform fatigue analysis, virtually cycle test your product tens or hundreds of thousands of times. Knowing exactly at what point a part will wear out enables the team to better predict spare parts and potential warranty issues. They could offer higher cost premium parts as an alternate option, or even connect sensors to better warn their customers that the component is nearing its end of life. Run further detailed analysis for nonlinear applications to determine at what point a component will buckle, and if it does, will it fail as it's intended? Or examine how your product will respond to vibration or thermal loading. And with everyone sharing the same tools and information, complete simulation results can be easily exchanged between designers, engineers, and analysts, creating more opportunities to spot possible improvements to the design. To put it simply, the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection provides your entire team access to the tools that will provide them with the information they need to make more informed decisions.